Let's do the dumbbell curl with front lunge. A great exercise for your biceps and quads. Grab a pair of dumbbells, holding them at your sides with palms facing forward. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, chest up, and shoulders pulled back. Step forward with your right leg into a lunge, bending both knees to about 90 degrees while keeping your torso upright. As you lunge, curl the dumbbells up towards your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your body. Focus on squeezing your biceps at the top of the curl. Lower the weights back down as you push off your front foot to return to standing. Alternate legs with each rep, aiming for 10 to 12 reps per leg. Remember, keep your core engaged, maintain a straight line with your upper body, and avoid swinging the weights. Good form is key. Let's keep pushing. You're getting stronger with every rep.